Hi everyone, wow, what a workout. For all of my VIP members, congratulations, you just crushed it. Slayed all of your goals. It is a great way to start the weekend, any day. And I love what one of our VIP members said in the workout, that she's most excited about being consistent. How do you be consistent? You have to have a group of other like-minded women that are not catty, not two-faced, not malicious, not have like ill intent, but are here for the same reason as you, for personal and professional development, not to do better than you, not to show themselves off, because that's all that's going on out there. And I really agree. In order to be consistent, you got to have a beautiful, fertile ground to grow in. Then you have to have a coach behind you, rooting for you, giving you that sunshine, that water, weeding out the weeds. Look, guys, I mean, I really, literally, definitely earned my shower. I am drenched. Oh, this is like 50 shades of gray. It was like light gray, but now with the water and the sweat, it's like dark gray. This was a great workout. If you're not a member, join jnlvip.com. What are you leaving on the table? You're leaving a lot. You're leaving your inner peace, your wellness. Health is the new wealth. The only way you're really wealthy is if you're healthy. And every time we work out, we go over our goals and we talk about our intentions and we talk about why fitness is that transformational motivational tool. And it's nice that you can do it in the privacy of your own home. Why? Because you're in this like encapsulated zone, atmosphere, aura that nobody and nothing can penetrate or interrupt. Sometimes when you go to the gym or you're doing something in a group setting with other people, you feel kind of like you're being watched or judged or interrupted. You can't focus. I want to remove all those distractions. Remember the number one success rule to being able to be focused? Remove all distractions. So in the VIP workouts, that's what you're doing. You're getting crazy results. Hi Shelby, Sally, love you. Oh my God, great workout. Sweating like a crazy woman here. So if you're ready to take that bold step and you're just sick and tired of spinning your wheels like a gerbil on a wheel going nowhere fast, if you're sick and tired of messing up your nutrition, not eating right, if you're sick and tired of hanging around people that are toxic, maybe they're drinking, smoking, and just low vibrational, you just don't feel true to your potential, take the step, the bold step today. jnlvip.com. And plus we have a retreat if you want to join that too, January 16th. If not, just start with the program. Start with the program and we'll kickstart and jumpstart your results. Remember, for your first 30 days, it's only 4 quarters, yes, and then $24.99 after that. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for the hearts. Love you, Shelby. We have glam mothers in our group. We have mothers in our group. We have busy CEOs, entrepreneurs, authors. The most beautiful group of women are in our VIP tribe. Remember, your vibe attracts your tribe. So join the worldwide VIP Positive Tribe today at jnlvip.com. I believe in you. Love you guys. Love you. Thank you, Deluge. I love you. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, Shelby. Thank you, Sally. Love each and every one of you. Bye, guys.